When I made my first $10 video 2.5 years ago in Vietnam, I never imagined that it'd take me to a 28th episode here in Yemen. Yemen is definitely a country that you've heard a lot about since 2011 for some very unfortunate reasons. But here I am in the heart and soul of this fragile yet stunning Arabian nation. In this video, I will look past the negatives and remain positive because there's a lot of hidden treasures here that have virtually never been exposed to the outside world. And guess what? It's just about as cheap here as any other country, so my money can take me a long way. Today I'm in a city in the dead center of Yemen called Sayun. 10 bucks is about 5,500 Yemeni Rials. It's time to see how much we can get. Yemeni food is fantastic and is often consumed in a shared communal gathering on the floor. So we got the goats and the lambs right here, and then right here, they eat it. Straight from the source to the restaurant. My favorite thing is called khabis. That's the big oven, or basically the best tortilla you've ever had. Dip it in your spicy omelet, and there you have a very tasty meal. So good. Really good. One cannot visit Yemen without noticing its khat epidemic. This plant is seen and sold everywhere and is commonly enjoyed after lunch. If you can remember the story I did on khat in Somaliland, it's that addictive plant that they chew on for the chemical reaction. It's 100% natural and legal. I guess it just keeps you awake. Now we are heading onwards to the market, which is super big and bustling here in Sayun, and I'm gonna try to buy a Yemeni flag. That's my goal, but I haven't seen them selling it anywhere, so if I can't get a flag, I'm gonna have to buy something else. It's really crowded in this market. Wow. So it looks like we're out of luck with the flag, and second option, I'm gonna buy a new scarf. If you visit Yemen as a tourist, it's mandatory to keep a low profile or else you will find yourself in situations that are not good. The best way to blend in is by wearing a traditional outfit and a turban, so I found a small shop to get the latter. That one. Fifth to the left one, the blue and white one. Yes, could you put it on me? I like the feel of this one better. It feels nice. Shukran. 2000. Shukran. Nothing, and I mean nothing, beats an afternoon chai. All it is sweet milk tea, and you can find it from India down to Yemen across North Africa. I went to the most local shop I could find, run by this little kid. Chai. Chai. Yeah. Shukran. Okay, I got my chai here. It's piping hot. That is just the best taste, the sweetest taste. The Arabian Peninsula and Middle East is filled with all kinds of sweets, and halva is my favorite one. We headed into a local market to find some Yemeni halva, and I landed with this one. Shukran. Alright, it's time to give it a try. Oh, the sweet smell of sugar. In Yemen, everybody just uses their hands. I mean, it's almost like there's no utensils here. You see how hard that is? There we go. It almost looks like brown sugar. It's like powdery texture. When you chew it, it kind of forms together in your mouth. It's like a sweet Yemeni caramel. In total, I got a breakfast, chat, a turban, chai, and halva for $9.57. And that, my friends, is what $10 can get you in Yemen. Hey guys, I really can't believe how incredible this experience has been in Yemen so far. If you want to stay up to date on my trip, follow my Instagram stories at Binsky right now, where I'm posting live updates. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.